going to say the capitals too?
Top 5 cat toys.
You're going to say all the capitals? Is that what you're going to do?
Number 1, the ball. This is so fun for the cats.
What's number 1?
The ball. The ball.
No, what state do you call number? What's the first state that comes to your mind?
You're not ruining the script.
What is it?
Number 1, the stick. And watch how this comes to plan. It's going to be at the end, and it's going to be a surprise. Now, take these two together and take them to. And number 3, the scratch post. Sorry guys, I don't know if you can see it. Here's the scratch post. Here we go. We can play with it. You're gonna see how this comes to plan.
What do you have, a cat on there?
No, we're making this.
Looks like you're teasing a cat somewhere.
On the scratching post is a ball with a stick, and we're gonna go fishing for this ball.
Oh, okay.
Trick number 1, fishing. Got it? Great. Try it again. Got it?
Got it.
Perfect. All right, now we're gonna take the scratching post away. This is gonna be hard. I don't ruin this. All right, we're experiencing technical difficulties. We'll be right back. Howdy.
Howdy, partner.
We are back with another trick. We can just throw that out of the window. And now,
You're doing an awful lot of throwing today.
yeah.
You're throwing everything away.
Look at this. Well, you can have this. And I can show you what to do. Yeah, that was the whole purpose of the video. Bye-bye.